let's say I want to go back. So we'll start with the history part. So let's say I want to go back in time and delete one of those, or simply go back in time and see where, well, let's say I have made a mistake and I want to go back in time and see where exactly I have made a mistake. So I can kind of click on Control Z, but once again, it can take a lot of time, and if you have done a lot of things, this could be complicated. So basically what we'll do, we are going to see the whole history of what we have just did. So pretty simple how exactly we do this. We simply go on Window, and here you will have all the little extensions that you can have access to. So basically you have character, color, and other things. What we are going to look for will be history. So history is right here. We are going to click on it. So as you can see here, we have everything that we have just done. So pretty much everything that is stored in history, so we can make it bigger. And as you can see, we have absolutely everything right here. So from the beginning, so we moved our layers, we duplicated our layers. What we did, we moved our layers again. So let's say we want to come back in time right here.